Good morning, dear students. I will take revision from chapter 16 and name of the chapter 16 is a light and shadow. Listen 16 revision light and shadow. Light and shadow. Lesson 16 revision light and shadow. You know that we cannot see in the dark, and for seeing we need light to see things. If light is not there, then we cannot recognize the things, and we can see the things in clearly light. If light is not there, then we are not able to see the things. What is the sources of light? You know that sun is the main source of light. You know that sun is the main source of light, and the light comes to us through the sun rays. Light comes to us through the sun rays, and sunlight makes the day bright. You know that sunlight makes the day bright, and it helps to see things around us. And the day ends with the sunset, and it is dark at night. And in dark we get light from electric torch, electric bulbs, lamps, tubes, torches, burning candles, etc., lanterns, etc. Different man-made things are there, so we can see in that sources. What is the shadow? What is the shadow? When you will go out in the open and look around, you will see several objects such as plants, animals, poles, vehicles, etc. Stand with your face covered. Stand with your face towards the sun, and you look at your back. You will see a dark form on the ground, and this dark form is your shadow. And this dark form is just like your body in shape, and this dark form is your shadow, and but its size will be different. Morning and evening shadows are longer, and during the in between means afternoon it is short. And now look at every object. Each object has a shadow of its own, and so we see that things cast shadows in the light. And now come to the formation of shadow. Three things are needed to form a shadow. That is the object, source of light, surface. Object, source of light, and surface. When we see the shadow of a tree, and the object is tree, sources of light is sun, and the surface is ground. The shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side. Always shadow is formed always to the opposite side of the light source, and the shape of the shadow also depends on the shape of the object. And now come to the length of shadow. Shadow change in length and direction at different times of the day. Observe the shadows in the morning, and they are fairly long, and it is much longer than the objects. And at noon shadows are shortest. Morning and evening shadows are longer. So what we have learned in this chapter? We learned in this chapter we see light to see things. Sun is the main source of light, and a shadow is formed when something comes in the way of light. Three things are needed for a shadow to form: object, source of light, and surface. Shadows fall on the opposite side to the light source. Shadow change in length and direction at different times of the day. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening, and shadows are shortest at noon. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. We need light to see things. We need light to see things. And the sun is the main source of light. The sun is the main source of light. A shadow is a dark shape formed by an object when it blocks light. And the light travels through the light rays. Light travels through the light rays, and shadows longer. Shadows change in length and direction at different times of the day. Take the right one. The sun gives us light and heat, and the shadows of an object is formed on the opposite side to the light source. Shadows are long in the morning and evening. Shadows are shortest at noon. Write T for true and F for false. Shadows always fall on the opposite side to the light source. True. Shadows remain the same in length at different times of the day. False. Sunlight makes the day bright. True. Things cast shadows in dark. False. The shape of the shadows depends on the shape of the object. True. Name 4 common sources of light: lanterns, electric bulb, torch, and lighting candle. What is the shadow? When you have to go out and you will see a dark form behind you formed. This is dark form is your shadow. Where is a shadow formed? When something comes in the way of light, then shadow is formed. And what time of the day shadows are longer? Morning and evening shadows are longer. And what time of the day shadows are shortest? Afternoon shadows are shortest. So this is all about chapter 13. This is all about chapter, sorry, not 13, 16, light and shadow. This is the light and shadow.